Hey everybody, it's that time for me to pick who gets this lovely little folio. I realized I made a mistake and did not include when I was going to choose the person. So it's tonight, Wednesday, so I will have this video out tonight. It'll be kind of late because I got a late start today. But yeah, it's time. I was going to just pick somebody, but you guys left such lovely comments and you guys emailed me such lovely things. I will respond to you, so don't feel like I've forgotten about you guys. I haven't. But because you guys, I couldn't pick. I couldn't pick. So I'm going to use this app, okay? In this app, I put everybody's name in there and it says I just tap the button and spin it and it's going to choose for me. So let's tap it and find out who gets this. Here it goes. And the winner is Valerie. Valerie, I will be sending this to you. And you got a little prize thing going, shoop, shoop. Okay, so Valerie, I will get this to you. Everybody else who emailed me, I will go ahead and add your name next month for the giveaway in February. Okay, so I wish I had stuff to give everybody, but I don't. And here is a little tiny sneak peek at February's. Okay, so this is going to be February's giveaway. Okay, so I've been working on this, but it's not done. So I'm not going to sneak peek, peek, peek. Okay, so this goes out to Valerie. So I will get that to you. Thank you guys so much for participating and having fun with this with me. Have a blessed day.